Hey guys, so in this video, I want to show you one of the strategies that really provides market understanding without a guess game and chaos. Today we'll analyze the Alligator Indicator, what it means when it's sleeping, when it wakes up, and how to use it to find entry points that professionals see. I will demonstrate this directly on a live chart step by step. My main goal today is not just to give a simple buy-sell button, but to help you understand the mechanics so you can apply it yourself right after watching this video. So that you will start trading in the long run and definitely make good profit. This is very important to me. So my name is Evan Trader. I trade every day and also run a Telegram channel where I share deals, my analysis and educational content. So if you want to see this not once a week but constantly, the link to my Telegram is in the description and the pinned comment. So now let's dive into the strategy. Okay, so what is the alligator? Simply put, it's an indicator that consists of 3 lines. Let's turn it on so that we can assess everything visually. Here's the blue line, often called the jaw. That's the slow line. So the red line called the teeth, that's the midline, and the green lips, that's the fast line. So to explain as simply as possible, when the lines are intertwined, the market is chaotic. It's not best to enter. So when the lines move in one direction, the alligator is awake. That means a trend is starting. If all lines are pointing upward, it's an uptrend. If all are pointing downward, it's a downtrend. So when the lines start to merge, the trend weakens. The alligator is not a prediction, but a filter showing where the market is becoming clean and clear and diverges from chaos. So the alligator is an indicator that we use solo, that is without necessarily pairing it with another indicator. As you've seen in many of my videos, I often use different indicators in pairs. I use the alligator solo, meaning it's a mono indicator that tells us a lot by itself. So let's look at different time frames. Here's the hourly chart. There was a sharp downtrend. Now there's some minor leveling, but the situation is strongly downward. On the 1 minute chart, you can see 2 consecutive candles forming, one for selling and one is for buying. And the alligator shows a bearish trend, so it's possible to open a sell position. I will wait until the candle slightly pushes up and then I will open a sell. That's our entry point, an ideal entry. Quite a stable bottom, even going lower than the pullback. I think since we entered according to the trend, based on the alligator signals, the market will continue its downward movement. We've chosen a great moment for entry. Now a reversal candle is starting, but I don't believe it'll have much strength right now. Still, the pullback is very obvious. We entered the trend and the alligator shows a sell trend as well. So we caught that entry point. Currently a small pullback is happening. We're not immune, of course, from mistakes or false breakouts. Markets react to everything, but we are going to continue observing the situation right now. So next up, some leveling is happening little by little. Slight breakout upward. Notice how the lines are pulling up. Yeah, sometimes you get unsuccessful trades like now, like this breakout, but now I see a hint of a reversal. So the lines are leveling and indeed candles are forming pairs. I will open a buy, but we'll wait until the candle drops a bit lower. Until the candle drops, yeah, a bit lower before entering a buy right now. So right now my account size is at like 200 and later I will increase it. As I said earlier, I'm entering gradually to recover the previous loss. And then using the martingale system, I will double the amount size to exit with good profit. So We do this consciously. Remember, not more than 2 times. Ideally, like 1.5, especially for beginners. 1.5 is better. So what else can I say about this indicator? The lines show us the direction. If they cross, it generally indicates a chaotic situation and it's risky to enter. As you see, there are no crossings right now. There was a break upward, which caused us to close the first trade in a loss. Now we break even, and later we increase the lot size to get profit, and we closed in profit. So this time I'll increase the lot size using martingale and open the next order. The lines are turning upward again and no crossover yet. So I guess right now it's a great time to open a buy. We're approaching the level I marked. My prediction is that the market will reach this level, then possibly reverse lower and break the next level. The current situation is within a medium range, but we are trading according to the trend. So we entered just after the crossover happened, which is what we wanted. So at this moment, I wouldn't open a new trade since the crossover just occurred. So this is a signal for when to enter a trade. Tech analysis helps us define the trend itself. As you can see, working with both indicators and tech analysis together always provides stable profit. See how well the market is moving upward now? I think we'll close with a good profit. So using martingale, we increase the amount size. So regardless, we'll exit the session with profit. Yes, and as you can see, everything worked in our favor right now. So here are some key points I want to highlight. First, don't enter a currency pair if the alligator lines are crossing. That's your sign not to trade. Second, trade in the direction of the trend. So when all lines point the same way, determine this with tech analysis across different time frames. That's the best moment for a setup. So even if there's volatility, remember that the trend remains. So your trade should close in profit. What else I want to emphasize to beginners about beginners working with the alligator. So first off, avoid trading when the alligator is sleeping and the lines are crossed over. Again, that's a signal not to enter, okay? Secondly, don't buy at the top of a candle without a pullback. So tech analysis and understanding of pullbacks is very crucial. We are not immune to false breakouts, like on the first order that we lost, but we recovered with martingale and made a profit. Third up, don't ignore support and resistance levels and candle patterns. Track what levels you marked previously. If you traded a pair earlier, analyze how the situation has changed and what candle patterns are forming. This analytical approach guarantees stable profit. So another common mistake, opening too many trades, trying to come back after losses. So using martingale, don't increase more than 1.5, 2 times, and never risk your entire deposit. Trade with about 2-3% of your deposit per order, okay? Furthermore, don't rely solely on indicators waiting for a signal. Indicators should work alongside tech analysis. So I constantly demonstrate this in my videos. Use only a combined approach that yields profit, okay? Remember, the alligator is a filter, not a predictor. So, to sum up briefly, when the alligator lines diverge, the trend is determined, look for pullbacks. Second, wait for confirmation candles, like on my second and third trades. And finally, enter according to the trend with 1-2% risk of your deposit and no over trading, okay? If you want more strategies, reviews, and real trades, join my Telegram. I simply explain everything, show real trades, and analyze beginner mistakes. The link is in the description and pinned comment. I wish you profitable and stable trading. See you next time.